Alright guys, a new day in life as an airline pilot, and now we are going to Zaporizhia airport from this hotel. We're gonna fly to Sharm el-Sheikh and to Kiev later on. So I'll have the daylight landing in Sharm, and in Borispol I'll have the nighttime landing. See you on the aircraft. Pam pam. Tetris. Let's go inside. Nice car. Okay, I'll buy it, then I'll have my next salary. Yeah, sometimes people think that we earn quite a lot of money, but the salary is quite average as for airline pilot. Here in Zaporizhia, you just need to walk to the airplane. It is not far away, so it's fine. Alright, home sweet home. Today I will fly from the right seat. Alright guys, let's start. I've already done with the preliminary pre-flight, and let's continue with the CDU pre-flight. Here is MCDU, multi-purpose control display unit, where you can find the airplane model, the rating of the engines, the effective date of nav data, etc, etc, etc. Here we go, the position in it, and we need to put the airport first, the ICAO 4-letter code here, and here we need to set the iris position. So here we have just the GPS position, and here we have the iris position already. And now I just need to wait for the screens to light up. Here I will have the PFD, and here should be ND. Let's go to the route. We have already UKDE, Uniform Kilo Delta Echo, and scratch pad. We'll put it here. Here I should put the active runway. I don't know which runway is for departure. I need to check the weather information, but I know that we will fly to Hash is Sharm el-Sheikh, and I know our flight number is this, so I'll put it here. Also, if we go to the next page, here I'll set the route, and later on then I'll listen to ATIS information, or I will request the weather information from ATC. I'll put the SAD, so here is departure arrival. To set the route, I have this printed copy, the printed version of operational flight plan, and later on I'll cross-check with all the points to make sure that flight plan is correct. And from DGAM we have the name of the route. It's M856. Now I have many points from DGAM to Rakur following this air route. So if we go to the legs, you'll see DGAM, Larum, Romok, and then Rakur. So Romok and Larum are the points on this air route that we have on this airway. Okay, the route is set. Here we go with departure. I already know the runway is 20. Here we have DTX for Bravo. Later I'll cross-check with our Jepson charts. So here we go with execute, runway 20 is check. Here we have the date departure, and here we have it on our navigation display. Here we have the data, the gross weight, the fuel that we have actually in the fuel tanks. So I already put the zero fuel weight. The reserves is our fuel to return plus 30 minutes. The cost index, flight level, is aviation, and the cruise wind average, and also transitional is here. Go to N1 page. Here we have the outside temperature, need to put it manually, and we have some of the rates and the climbs. Takeoff page, here we put the flaps. Here we have the N1 in percent, and here I'll put the height of the acceleration, engine out acceleration, thrust reduction, etc. Now we have more accurate data with the load sheet. We put it here, so it's the second rate, the engine rating reduced down to 24 kilo. And here we go with the takeoff. Here we have the speeds, and here we have the trim for the stabilizer trim. We should set it according to this information. information from MCD. Zaporizhzhia Tower, Ukraine International 5271, requested clearance.
Takeoff 5271, you're clear to the direct from our flight plan route. This is full Bravo departure, initially climb to altitude 7,000 feet. After departure, contact Zaporizhzhia radar 119 decimal.
So here is our departure scheme. DTX4 Bravo, very simple. And also we need to cross-check the points here and according to the setting for MCDU and what we have actually in our route. Pam pam.
Vessel 5271, taxi to Honolulu point round 20 by taxi 1, finish 1008.
Finish 1008, here to taxi holding point runway 20 at taxi 1, finish point 20.
Nice for taxi.
Let's for taxi set. Right is clear. No, 05. Okay, international 5271, we are ready for departure.
Vessel 5271, wind 290 degrees 60 second runway 20, southwest aerodrome. Clear for takeoff, caution, push.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20, Kitash point 271, all the best.
Раз advance, сегодня just there.
All engines stabilized.
Shit.
10-1 Toga. B1. Rotate. Voice rate. Zero. How long? Feet without speed. 800 once lost speed. Soon we're gonna start our descent, and here's the landing calculation that we need. It's already calculated. We received the weather, and the landing distance with auto brake 3 should be 2,115 meters, and runway landing distance available. It's actually the runway length is 3,080 meters. So quite okay. We'll locate via Juliet or photo today. The arrival scheme the same as before. We'll be just vector to point 0 Hotel 712 and perform the RMP approach for runway 0 for right. $500.
400.
Approaching minimum.
Approaching minimums.
Okay.
Minimums. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Speed brake off, auto brake in use, reversers. Reverse normal. Да, и на Fox.
Control 1656, final runway heading, timing below 200. Control 1656, one cheer, 121, this one 128. Contact 1211, sir. Control 1656. Lead to stand number 17.
To the 10th, number 1 found behind the 4 miss. Charlie Step 7665.
Copy 665, on time.
Pam pam. Hi guys, welcome to Sharm El Sheikh. As you can see, we have some of the airplanes, our airline. It is great to see them here, and now we're gonna fly to Borispol, to Kyiv Borispol Airport. That will take us almost 4 hours. Let's go.
This is Sharm El Sheikh active information. X-ray 1500. Expect Romeo November Papa approach 04 right. Transition level 110. Wind 020 degrees 05 knot.
Sharm Tower International 5210. Known parking stand to 1. Weather on board request push and start. Pushback approved, startup approved, facing south, runway 04 right for us, Pushback 5210. 101 first to the left. 5210 rolling. What's engine stabilizer?
Check.
N1 Toga. Register сразу, check, normal. V1.
V1.
Rotate. What's separate? Yeah.
Right,
400 feet.
Heading select, Bravo
180. 121 International 5210, all the best. International 5210, you turn right in 180.
Ukraine 5210, the contact
Speed check.
is clear.
Proceed is clear, International 5210. One green line. Speed check, what's up?
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up, auto brake in use, reversers, normal. Periscope ground to current national 5210, hello, runway located, Alpha 3.
International 5210, Periscope ground. Доброго вечора. Таксі Bravo Charlie 4, Delta 10 Romeo.
Bravo Charlie 4, Delta 10 Romeo, current national 5210.
Добраніч.
Да, добраніч. Okay, shutdown checklist. Fuel pumps. One is running for EPU, the rest are off. Prop heat. Auto hydraulic panel set. Flaps up. Parking brake. And start levers. Okay, weather radar set off. Transponders standby. Shutdown checklist complete.
Спасибо.
I know something. I know that you are awesome. So just follow the awesome guy checklist. First, like this video, then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great time.